Sometimes in life, your clients aren't even able to pay anything. So the IRS has the ability to put you into an uncollectible status. Being uncollectible does not mean the debt goes away. It means that they just put it on the shelf until your financial situation changes. Penalties and interest continue to accrue, and the CSED continues to run. Even if you're sitting on the shelf not paying anything, it does not stop the CSED. All of this means is that you're really not able to full pay or pay anything at the current time. Your income, your expenses exceed your income, or it's equal. And the IRS is going to take a look at your financial statements, look at your income and your expenses, your bank statements, and everything else. When you're submitting, becoming currently not collectible is the same requirements as getting into an installment agreement. You're going to have to submit the 433s and the financial backup. Don't forget, whenever you're submitting financial backup, you always want to grab a Kelly Blue Book, include it with your documentation so that the IRS sees what you're thinking the car is worth, and they can't use their own imagination. Being currently not collectible is actually not a bad thing. Like I said, the CSED continues to accrue. There is no enforcement action being taken at the current time. The IRS is just going to leave you alone. They're going to check on you every year and see what's going on. If you're in a non-collectible status, you do get your passport back or get unreported to the Secretary of State. You know, they take back the request saying you're a high dollar owner.